Hello, my name is Giovanni Fava, and I perform my research under Sauro Liberatore. The research is in the field of small-scale wind turbine research. The hardware used for this project were two full bridge strain gauges placed at the bottom of the blade of a wind turbine. Then, one META S3 vibration sensor was placed at the tip of the blade. The sensor had both a 3-axis accelerometer attached and a 3-axis gyroscope attached. The turbine itself had a roughly 3-foot blade length, as well as was placed 20 feet into the air. The initial data shows that there is a clear and direct correlation between the strain data collected at the base of the blade and the acceleration collected from the tip of the blade. The data also showed that before the blade would begin rotating, there's a point in which there would be an increased amount of deflection or moment at the base of the blade, showing that the blade bends before it begins spinning. The properties of the blade itself were calculated through calibration. This calibration was where the base of the blade was anchored and a force was applied to the tip of the blade. Deflection was then measured for various points across the length of the blade, and these points were then reconstructed to make a line of best fit following the formula y equals c1 times x cubed plus c2 times x squared. This formula of deflection was then able to provide us with the formula or the equation of the Young's modulus times the inertia of the blade itself. Using the properties of the blade that we calculated, as well as the orientation of the blade calculated from the gyroscope, we were able to reconstruct the position of the wind turbine throughout a full rotation of the blade. The data showed that there was a clear dip in the rotation of the turbine towards the bottom of the rotation. This implies that there was either some sort of wind gust or maybe the tower was interfering with the blade itself. But either way, the data shows that using orientation is an effective way to show wind gusts in a wind turbine. Thank you.